Here's the best dessert of Filipino delicacies that we made with my sister Grace. So first, let's cook 2.5 cup of sticky rice and 2 cup of coconut cream, 1/4 cup of white sugar, and mix together and wait until it cook. And here we go. And anyway, we wash the sticky rice before we cook. And then let's make uh, caramelized sugar using with 3 cups of coconut cream and 1.5 cup of coconut palm sugar, or called mascobado in the Philippines. But if you cannot find mascobado or coconut palm sugar here in US, just use brown sugar and wait until sticky and caramelize, and put fillings on the top of the sticky rice that we flattened in a Pyrex, and spread evenly, and put in the oven the temperature of 350 and 25 minutes. And here we go. The final destination is the test taste. So while my sister is slicing this Biko, and when we eat this, it reminds us our back memories when we was a kid, because our grandmas always loved to cook for us a food delicacy. So let's eat, guys.